Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for replacement combs that can match the power of your hairdryer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Golden Hot Comb Replacement Set for the GH2605, designed to elevate your styling game. This two-piece comb set includes one straightening comb and one detangling comb, both crafted from high-quality materials. These combs are made to lock into place securely, ensuring they stay in position while you style. Perfectly compatible with the Golden Hot 1600 watt and 1875 watt professional hair dryers. These combs are tailored for those seeking durability and precision when it comes to their blow drying routine. I've been testing these combs with my own Golden Hot dryer, and I have to say, they really complement the power of the tool. The straightening comb glides smoothly through my hair, making it easier to get that sleek, straight finish without too much effort. It's sturdy, but not so rigid that it feels uncomfortable against the scalp. On the flip side, the detangling comb is gentle yet effective at getting through knots and tangles, ideal for those of us who are constantly battling frizz and the aftermath of a long day of styling. When it comes to real-world use, I've found both combs to be impressively versatile. The straightening comb does an excellent job of giving my hair a polished finish, while the detangling comb is an absolute lifesaver on days when my hair feels like it's trying to outsmart me. The combs fit perfectly into the dryer, and the locking mechanism makes sure they stay put, even during vigorous styling sessions. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, these combs are easy to use, lock securely into place, and do a great job at managing hair with minimal pull. The material feels sturdy without being too heavy, and the fact that they fit both the 1600 watt and 1875 watt dryers adds versatility. However, one drawback I noticed is that while the straightening comb works well, it does take a bit more time to get the sleek finish you might expect from professional grade styling tools. Also, if you're someone with very thick or curly hair, you might find the detangling comb a bit too gentle. It works for lighter tangles, but might require a bit more effort on more stubborn knots. As for value for money, these combs are reasonably priced, especially considering they're designed to last and serve as a reliable replacement for Golden Hot's powerful dryers. If you're in the market for an affordable, effective solution to refresh your dryer's combs, this set could be a great fit. If you're wondering how these compare to other comb sets out there, the locking mechanism and material quality are definitely standouts. Similar products in this price range might not offer the same secure fit or durability, so this set holds its own in terms of performance. Regarding build quality, the combs are solid. They're constructed to withstand regular use without showing significant wear and tear. Over time, the quality doesn't diminish, and they continue to fit snugly into the dryer, ensuring efficient styling sessions. As for customer service, Golden Hot is known for their reliable support, although I personally haven't had to contact them about this product. Still, the brand has a reputation for taking care of any inquiries, so you can trust that you'll be well supported if anything goes wrong. If you're looking for similar alternatives, there are other comb sets available, but what sets this one apart is the secure fit with the Golden Hot dryers and the versatility of having both a detangling and a straightening comb in one set. If you're on a tighter budget, you might find a cheaper set that serves the basic function, but without the same locking mechanism or durability. In conclusion, the Gold and Hot Comb Replacement Set for the GH2605 is a solid choice for those using Golden Hot dryers who need a reliable and long-lasting solution for their styling tools. While not perfect for every hair type, it does a great job overall, especially for those with finer to medium hair. The straightening comb and detangling comb work well together, providing a smooth and hassle-free styling experience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used these combs, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.